nothing happened. I told her be patient, she waited. I gave her the dick, she walked out, do the beatbox challenge. Like, yeah, get in the bag, and then you know me, hit you anyway, baby. So she gon' do whatever I say.
First video since the ZF8 swap in the $1,000 BMW. Did have a slight malfunction the other day. We got a run in with a boosted RT. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Luckily it happened after we already got back to the shop, but a brake line did pop off of the E90. We already got some stainless steel lines swapped on it. Will pop up right here, taking off the bad line. You see where the tire was rubbing it out, where it popped out of the bracket and the line wore out.
Turbo. Scoop me duck, got one of my rooms all flooded with gold. 3 some die for my heavy feet. Just to help me sleep.
Finally got the Belix on. The final wheel setup for the E90 is on. Took a little work to get it on there, some grinding, but it looks sick. Comment what you think was your favorite wheels on the E90 so far on the screen right here. Anyone interested in my wheel setup, make sure to hit me up on Instagram on the screen right here at I'm Noah. We're about to go to Mexico and see what the car is talking about. Everyone watching the channel, comment what type of car you have, and if you have a BMW. We're just now getting the ZF8 figured out. We're getting it out of comfort mode now, putting it into the sport mode. I do not regret waiting on the title or any semi go by or any of the unnecessary process and bullshit took to go through to get this car, it was all worth it. This is your sign to go get a $1,000 car for Facebook and turn it into a race car. Since this car works, I think I know what the answer is going to be, but comment what you think is better, maybe looks better, sounds better, etc. The F30 M55 on the screen here before, if you never watched it, make sure you watch some of the old YouTube videos, or the E90 big turbo ZF8 swap. I definitely say I like the E90 more, but I love how the F30 looks. Been planning to do this video for a while. Comment below if you want to see more POVs like this.
Scoop me duck, got one of my rooms all flooded with gold.